Thank you everyone. For today's video, we're going to answer the checkpoint uh, checkpoint exam for let's call this one for Cisco Network Academy. Okay, checkpoint for quantum communicating between networks and outside. Okay, share my screen first. So for the number one questions, what information does the loopback test provides? So okay, what's the information those loopback tests provide? Mm, okay, answer is the TCP and IP stack on on the device is working correctly. Okay, why the loopback test involves sending a ping command like pin command to the server's IP address, the 125.127.0.0.0.1 for the IPv4. Okay. Mm, then submit it. Then for number two is a computer can access device on the same network but cannot access device on the other network. What is the probable cause of this problem? So, probably cause of this problem. Hmm, so yes, ito is the computer has an individual an has invalid default gateway address. Okay, why is this the probably cause? Okay, function of the default gateway is the default gateway is the IP address of the router that connect your locals network to other network like the internet of a different subnet. Yeah. Okay, going to the um question three. What IPv4 header field identifies the upper layer protocol carried in the packet? So, bisa na lang natin yung explanation. So, may oras pa na. The answer is carried in the packet. It's a protocol. Yeah. What protocol? The protocol field in the IPv4 header is an 8-bit field that indicates with upper layer protocols. Layer 4 is the contain the data portions of the IP packet. Okay. So question number 4, why is not needed in IPv6? Okay. Um, IPv6. Okay. I think this is one. So any host or user can get a public IPv6 network address because the number of available IPv6 addresses is extremely large. Why? The network address transit or the NAT was a primary default developed as a workaround for the existing of IPv4 address. Yeah. So for question 5, going to what is one advantage that the IPv6 simplified header offers over IPv6? So is, mm, I think it's this is one efficient packet handling. Why? Hmm, Wait lang. Excuse. Why is that? Okay. Um, why is the efficient packet handling? Is the correct answer for me. The IPv6 header was designed to be streamlined to improve the speed of which router process packets. It achieved efficient packetting hiding through two primary improvement pala. Improvement. One is the fixed header size and removal processing overhead. Yeah. Okay. For number six, is we're going to which parameter those that the router used to choose the path to the destinations when there are multiple routers available. Okay. I think is so yeah, the lower metrics value that is associated with the destination network. Okay, this one. Tama ba? Yeah. The lower metrics value that associated with the destination network. Why? In the network, a metric is a value assigned to specific routes to determine its cost. When a router has multiple paths of the same destinations, network is used the metric to decide metric to decide which path is the most efficient. Okay. Yeah. So number seven, what are two service provided by OSI network layer? Chose two. Okay. For me, it's um yes, this one. Routing packets toward the destination and then encapsulating PDU from the transport layer. Okay. Why is the router packet toward the destinations? This is the primary role of the network layer. Is use logical address like a IP address and the end routing tables to determine the best path for a packet to reach its destinations across different network. Okay, and then another one is the encapsulate PDUs from the transport layer. Okay, the network layer receive a segment the PDU from the transport layer and adds a header contain source and destinations IP address to create a packet. This process is known as encapsulations. Yeah. Number eight, we're going to what is the basic characteristic of the IP protocol? Okay. IP protocol is connectionless. Yeah, connectionless. Why is connectionless? The internet protocol, the IP is designed as a connectiveless service. This means no pre-established path, and then independent packets, and then speed efficiency. Mhm. And then number nine, we're going to how the host ensure that their packets are directly to the correct network design and destination. Okay. For that is, I think, yeah, this one. They have to keep their own local routing table that contains a route to the loopback interface. A local network route as a remote default route. Why? When the host is like a computer or smartphone, need to send a data. It's a dose just blindly post it out. It's follow the specific logic within is a local router table, like the local network router route or the remote default route, default gateway, like that, and then the loop interface. Okay, yeah. So number 10, which destination address is used in ARP request frame? We're going to um, I think as FFF. This one, FFF, that FFF. Because an ARP address resolution protocols is request is used when a device knows the IP address of a destination, but does not know its hardware address, MAC address. Okay? Yeah. And then number 11, what is the aim of ARP spoofing attack? Spoofing attack. So, mm, I think is to associate IP address to the wrong MAC address. Why? ARP spoofing is also known as ARP poisoning. Is a techniques where the attacker send a falsified ARP address resolutions protocols message into a local area's network. Yeah. Because the primary goal to the leak attack is the MAC address, with the IP address of another host, such as default gateway. Once is this false associations is the made and stored in the victim's ARP traces. Yeah. We're going to number 12. 33. Okay. Under which two circumstances will a switch flood a frame out of every port except the port that the frame was received on chose 2. Ganito. So under which two circumstances will a switch flood a frame out of every port except the port that the frame was received on chose 2. First is I think is the destination address is unknown to switch to the switch, right? And then the next is the frame has the broadcast address as the destination address. Why? A switch maintains a MAC address table to decide where it is to send data. Flooding is the process of sending a frame out of every port except the one it arrived on. This happens in two primary scenarios. Okay? The first is unknown unicast flooding. And then the second is broadcast frames. Okay. Number 13, which statement describe the treatment ARP request on the local link? Okay. Mm, I think is mm, I think ang tanong sagot is this one. They are received and processed by every device on the local network. Why? Board frame is ARP request ARP like ito um like ARP wait lang. Wait, I think yeah, it is the one. Why is it make answer? When the device needs to send data to another machine on this local network, but only knows the target IP address, it must first find the corresponding physical MAC address. It does this by sending an ARP request. Okay. Mhm. What's important information examined in the Ethernet frame header by layer 2 device in order to forward the data onward. Okay. I think is mm, yeah, this one. So destination MAC address. Yeah. What is the answer? Okay. A layer 2 device, such as a network and switch, a network switch is operates at the data link layer. Is the ISI, OSI model. Tama ba? Yeah. Is the OSI model. Here is how handled, okay. So to handle and forwarding this is using the MAC address. Layer 2 device use a physical hardware address, the MAC address, rather than the local one's IP address to the move the data. Then forward logic and then efficiency. Yeah. And 15 is going to where are IPv4 address to the to layer 2 Ethernet address mapping maintained on host computer. Okay. I think is the ARP cache. Why is it ARP cache? To improve efficiency the road use network traffic. A host computer does not send an ARP request every time if I want to send a packet. Instead, it stores to result store it stores the result of a previous resolutions in the local temporary storage are known as the ARP cache or a ARP table. Okay. And then 16, we're going to a network technician's issue ARP-D command on the PC after the router that is connected to the LAN. In figure, what is the result after this command is issued? Um, yeah, this one. The ARP cache is cleared. Why? The ARP command is used to view and manage the address resolution protocols or the ARP cache, which maps IP address to MAC address. Okay, so the dash D, this flag stands for delete, and then yung ito, this one, this is ang tawag dito. This is a wildcard characteristic specifically that all current is interest in the cache should be deleted. Yeah. So, connect tayo. Connect. So, match the configuration mode which the command that is available in that model. Okay. So, mhm, so this one. The A is connect to the interface fast Ethernet 0, R1 config yun. And then the B is R1 config line. Nasa loob na siya ng mission is logged in. Right? Then the R1 is enabled. And then this is a copy config. Yeah. Why is R1 is used for exec mode, user exec mode? This is the entry level mode with the limited access, the enable. Okay, enable command is used here to move to the more powerful privilege exec mode. Then the R1 is the privilege exec mode, also known as enable mode. This is where you perform managed tasks such as saving the configuration with the copy running config, startup config, or the copy run up start config. Yeah. Then for our R1 config is the global configuration mode. Is this mode allows you to change setting that affect the whole device. From here, you use command like interface fast Ethernet 0-0 to enter specific sub configuration modes for individual port. Yeah. So the R1 config line, the line configuration mode, this mode is used to configure access to the router, like the console or VTY lines. The login command is specifically used here to tell the router to require a password when user tries to connect. Yeah. And then this one, I don't know what's the password of this. Second. Um, the refer the exhibit, a user PC has a successful transmitted packet to the www.cisco.com, which IP address those are okay. I think is 172.20.02.5. Yeah, this one. Okay, to send a data of the local network, a PC target is a default gateway in a transit command. The first hope one is represent the gateway of the local subnet. Okay. Yeah. 1, 2, 20. Which two functions are primary function of a router? The primary function of a router. Ano? Mm, primary function of a router? I think is one is the path selection. This one. Because the router use routing protocols and routing tables to determine the most efficient best path for a packet to take across interconnected network to the reach its destination. And then the other one is the packet forwarding. Packet forwarding, once the path is determined, the router accept a packet on an incoming interface and forward it out through the appropriate outgoing interface toward the net hope or final destination. Okay. Okay, matching command ulit tayo. Match command to the correct actions. Configures on a router. This one, A, is to router config host name. Yeah, this one, host name. There's provide security of code. Security code is to password cache. This one, and then display message across the router is the banner mode. Okay. Why? For host name used in a global configuration mode to assign a unique name to the device, like host name and then CL1. Yeah. Okay. Then for the text or the password, when used the line console 0 or indicates by the config line prompt, it set the login password for physical console access. Okay. Then for the banner mode, stand for a message of the day is displayed text string to any user who connect to the device. Yeah. Submit na natin. Okay. 21 na. Number 21 is router boot and internet setup mode. What is the reason for this? Is reason for that is this one. Yeah. The configuration file is missing from NVRAM. Okay. Why? When the Cisco router boots up, it follows a specific sequence. After the hardware is tested or the POST and the operation system, the iOS, is loaded into RAM, the router looks for the startup config file, the NVRAM, the volatile RAM. Yeah. Okay. And then for 22, what happens when the transport input SSS command is interned on the switch VTY lines? VTY lines. Okay. The first is, I think, is this one. Communication between the switch and the remote users is encrypted. Okay. Why? When you enter the command transport input SSH on the virtual telnet type VTY is VTY line of a Cisco switch. It's a restrict incoming remote management connections to the SSH secure shell or protocol only. Yeah. For 23, going to wait lang. Mas kakakain ko lang. Sorry. The global configuration command IP default gateway 172.16.100.1 is appealed to a switch. What is the effect of this command? Mm, this one. Mm, This one. The switch can be remotely managed from a host on another network. Why? The command IP default gateway is used on a layer 2 switch to provide it with the path to reach network that are not locally connected. Yeah. 24. What are two function of NVRAM? Okay. Two function of NVRAM is mm, Number one is the to retain content when power is removed. And then another is to store the startup configuration file. Why? The NVRAM is the approach the is a specialized type of memory used in a networking device like a router and switches. Here is why those two options are correct. And there's non-volatility, unlike standard RAM and VRAM is non-volatile, meaning is does not lose its data when the device is turned off or lost power. Then yung isa is the startup configuration. The startup config file contain all the save command and setting for the device. When the router boots up, it's look in NVRAM to find this file so it can load you your previously saved configuration. Yeah. Kasi pinaka natin na pangalan. Para isang ganyan no. Wala eh, pwede pa ito eh. Yan. So, going to um mm, yeah, this one. Refer have exhibit consider the IP address configuration shows from the PC. Okay, this one. PC to switch to router 2 to cloud router 1 switch to PC 1. PC 1. Ayan pala siya. Um, I think is yeah, this one. It is the IP address of the router 1. It's the IP address of the router 1 interface. No. This one pala. Hit the IP address of the router 1 interface that connect the PC1 LAN to the router 1. Why? To understand why, let's break down how the default gateway works. So you can see, the exit door, the default gateway acts as the exit point for a local network. When a device like PC1 wants to send data to the destination, excuse, to send when the device like a PC1 was to send data to a destination outside its own local network such as the internet cloud or PC2 is send the data to the default gateway. Okay? Parang ano siya. Quick. Match the paces to the function during um put up process versus router. Phase 1 is perform the pause and load the bootstrap program. Then for phase 2, I think is a local. Ah, no, located. Locate and lost. Yeah. Locate and load the Cisco I iOS software. Let's see is this one. Locate and load the setup configuration file. For phase 1, when the router is power on, it first run a power on self-test or the POST or the post to ensure all hardware components are functioning. Then for the phase 2 or the OS loading is the Bootstrap programs searches for the Cisco iOS software, typically stored in a flash memory. Okay, and then the phase 3 is the configuration loading. As the iOS is running, the router looks for the startup config file using stored in NVRAM. Yeah. So 27. What is the effect using the router hashtag copy running config startup config command in the router? Ah, hindi na to. Mm, 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 yeah, I think this one. The connect of the NVRAM will change. The connect of NVRAM will change. Yeah, this one. To addressing why it's helpful to looks at where their configuration file are stored in a router. Run config, this is the configuration router active and running on the router. And then for the startup config, this is the configurations file that the router loads when it boots up. Okay. Yeah. Then for 28, what are two potential network problems that can result from ARP operations? Chose two. Okay. Chose two. Mhm. For me, this one, network attackers cloud manipulate MAC address and IP address mapping in ARP message with the internet of intercepting network traffic. Then there is on large network with low bandwidth, multiple ARP broadcast cloud cause data communication delays. Why? For my first, from the first is ARP was the design for efficient NAT security. It is a true trusting protocol, meaning a device will accept an ARP reply even if never sent a request. Then for number two, another chose is network overhead and delay. ARP requests are broadcast broadcast frames, meaning they are sent to every device on a local network segment. Every device must receive that frame and process it to see if a request is meant for them. Yeah, then 29 na tayo. So number 29. What will happen is the default gateway address is incorrect configuration on a host. Configured on a host. Mhm. Ate, this one. This one. Right? Ito pala. The host cannot communicate with hosts in other network. Why? The default gateway is the IP address of the router interface that serves as an access point to other network. Yeah. Mhm, repeat PT activity. Ayaw niyo naman, bugbog na natin. Ito na lang. Okey, okey. 4:31 na tayo. Eto na, ano na siya nag-loading. Bastos. Yun na nga, sagutan na nga ni. So, 31, which terms describe a field in the IPv4 packet header used to detect corruptions in the IPv4 header? I think is mm, header checks must checksum. Yeah. Why is header checksum is the answer for me. The header checksum field is in an IPv4 packet header is specifically designed on ensure the integrity of header. First, the function and process. For the function is it is a 16-bit value calculated by sender based on the header content. Yeah, submit. Every 16 seconds pa lang. Then, what properly of ARP allows MAC address of frequently used service to the fix in the ARP table? Mhm, mhm. I think is this one. A static IP to MAC address entry can be entered manually into the an ARP table. Why is this the correct answer? Normally, the address resolutions protocol works dynamically. A device sent on a broadcast to find a MAC address, stores its cache, the ARP tables, and eventually deletes is after period of inactive to save memory. Yeah, here we go then. Mhm. I think ito, 172.20. Oh, there. I think this one. Why? Identify the local interface. The probably state that the host is being connected to the store LAN. Looking at the router configuration, the interface G00, this one, is has the description connects to the store LAN. Find the interface IP under the configuration for interface GU G0 press 0, the command of address of 172.20.32.13. Yeah, we're going to, yun na pala lahat yun. We're going to submit na. Oh, okay. That's all everyone. Tama pa pala yung pagtan natin. Okay, thank you.